Meet Marshall. Today I'll show you how I painted his portrait. Today I'm going to talk to you about a new series I'm starting. I'm painting a dog a day, and I'm starting off with one of the doggy loves of my life, Marshall. And I've had many dogs over the years, but Marshall, he was 1 year old in this picture, and it was on a walk last fall. I took some photos of him. And my whole goal of this painting is to capture the joy that he felt on this walk, on every walk. If you want to see more of my animal portraits, the link to my website is in the description. If you're interested in having me paint your pet, leave a comment below or email me through my website.